the way that this evolves could be something similar to the way that the social media kind of uh, rage, if you will, evolved over the past few years. Once defense lawyers and insurance companies started to make plays for people's social media accounts and unfettered access, and we want to see all the past posts and we want to see what was deleted, the courts, I think, very rightfully started to limit some of that. Filing a lawsuit, bringing a personal injury lawsuit, does not entitle the whole world to know everything and see everything that you've ever done ever in your life. That's not the way discovery works in a personal injury case. And the courts were quick to modify and adopt the reach that defense lawyers and insurance companies tried to exert in getting their hands on what they considered a treasure trove of information from people's social media accounts. That stuff still happens. They're still making plays for those things, depending, of course, on a case by case basis. And I still have to guide my clients and advise them about the pros and cons of living their life online. But the courts have become very reasonable about the parameters and the restrictions and the limitations on the depth and the scope of those types of searches. It'll probably take some time for the courts to catch up with AI here. But remember, the difference between AI and just Google searching things or using any search engine to look for stuff, it's different, right? When you punch in a Google search, no matter how specific it may be, it's going to give you a host of results, right? And links to articles or stories or bios, whatever it is that you might be looking for. AI is actually constructing answers for you. And the technology and the sophistication of AI is continuing to grow, what we're told in the news anyways, day by day, if not hour by hour. People are relying on the information that AI is spitting back to them almost intuitively and in an unquestioning way. Whereas before, when you're doing searches for this or that through a regular search query, you're being pointed, you're being given links to other things. It's not necessarily giving you the answer on a platter like a lot of people perceive and feel that AI does.